Whoa! Hey, Wonderfuls. I wanted a better camp table. Something that wasn't going to get taken out by the dog's leash, was easy to set up, van size, just big enough for my stove, and something that I could use on either door of my van. This also doubles as my easy access stove storage. You know I love a simple, cheap project, and this is the perfect example. The main components are a wooden serving tray, cut up cargo straps, and two dollar store wreath hangers. I also used a few key rings and carabiners to keep the straps from slipping off the hangers, and screws to fasten the straps to the tray. I also added a couple of padded protectors at the back of the tray where it comes in contact with the van, just to minimize the paint scratching. I wanted this table to work on the doors at the very back of the van, as well as the sliding doors on the sides. And so by putting two sets of rings on the straps at different locations, I could account for the two different angles. And by flipping the hangers upside down and around, I could account for the different door profiles. It makes it pretty easy to switch over to the sunnier or least windy side to cook on. I did put one extra band in the hangers just to fine-tune the fit, and I wrapped them in duct tape so they don't scratch the paint. This would totally work without the key rings or carabiners, but they help keep the straps from sliding and the tray from tipping, and I can quickly set it up to either of the doors and don't have to worry about balancing a hot stove while I'm trying to cook. A sweet bonus of the hooks on both ends of the wreath hangers is that if you find just the right stick, you can make the perfect paper towel holder. Or you could hang utensils from them or whatever. Once it's cooled down, it all stores inside the tray. And I use a little chunk of foam insulation to keep the stove gas off the back window. Then it all gets snugged up tight to the glass using another couple pieces of cargo strap. And I'm ready to hit the road again. Thanks so much for watching. Be good, stay safe.